What if I told you there's a way that you can eat steak, bacon, and eggs and still drop your blood sugar? So this is the reality for some of the dads that I work with. They come to me and they're enjoying foods like sausages and deli meats and bacon, and the only thing that we need to keep an eye out for is dextrose and maltodextrin. These are artificial sugars that are specifically designed to be addictive, fattening, and to spike your blood sugar as much as possible so that you get a kick out of it. And I remember the first time that I actually learned about maltodextrin. When I was younger and my brother and I were staying with our dad, my brother was a lot lighter than me. We had about a 20-pound difference, and him and my dad were looking at, trying some weight gainers. So my brother got this weight gainer. It was called like Hulk Mass or something. And I was so curious. I was like, okay, but what's actually in here? Like, what's causing, this weight gainer to actually work? And not only is it loaded with protein and calories, but it's loaded with maltodextrin specifically. Because what they know, the people who make these products, is that if they load it with this artificial compound sugar and it spikes your blood sugar, it spikes your insulin a lot, it means that you're gonna take all the calories and protein, and the protein and the calories will be stored in the body rather than burnt off. So it literally is like a handbrake for your metabolism. So if you are eating steak, bacon, eggs, cheese, anything like that, especially the meats, the cured meats, deli meats, things like that, there are versions out there of bacon that are uncured, that are unprocessed, that don't have nitrates, or maltodextrin or dextrose, anything like that, any artificial sugars. And this is exactly the foods that my clients have been eating to get results while still enjoying their favorite food.